Hello? Who's here?
Bah.
Bahaha. You guys saying I have a chance of making money on this stock? Say it ain't so.
Why did you buy into it?
I shorted it. Good morning. There we go. That's what I want. Like right up against me.
Fingers crossed we get a nice rip out of the gate XAIR for some ads.
Hello?
Hello?
What's going on?
What's up,
I don't
Dick
know. What's the big news?
Dick Tease.
So,
He's
So
made
I-
a moderator. In
so
the
like right there, I posted something. This guy starts
Basically a
messaging me
hangover
on
play
Discord
there.
about the dip bot, saying that he agrees with everything I said in my conversation over there because it got heated for a while because they didn't like that I was asking questions. So it
Okay.
knows a lot about it, and apparently the guy who created it was the BMAC guy, and Eric is just like I guess the face of it. But apparently the BMAC guy who created it doesn't know anything about trading. Everything he learned from Eric.
Oh God.
And they're not going to make any modifications to it. The way it is the way
Well,
it is.
Is it not perfect?
What?
Isn't it perfect the way it is?
Yeah. The last 3 days there's been 1 out of 6 giant alerts hit.
Hey,
Alerts, and it's $100 a month.
that's a better batting average than I've had recently.
Yeah, but you didn't pay anything to get those.
No. I just listened to your dumbasses.
Yeah, and we're free.
Eyes chart up, would be great if it popped back up near 6, but we'll see. Fingers
Where do I
crossed.
sign up? Again, what's with this free stuff? That's just charging me $50 a month. What is with this free stuff?
What's free? But yeah, it was funny. First, I was talking to the BMAC guy, and then I guess he couldn't handle it. So then Eric decided to come in. Well, actually, first some other people attacked me. And I said, I don't know what the problem is. For $100 a month, I want to make sure this is right for me. I go, I don't need this negativity.
That's hilarious.
I'm surprised you didn't get blocked and booted.
Well, then people started apologizing to me for being dicks, which was pretty funny. And then Eric goes, well, we can't have this conversation in the general chat. I go, where do we have it? So I had to do it on a private message to him.
No way.
He goes, heaven forbid those things out in the open. And somebody's questioning why it's worth $100.
Oh,
Oh,
David,
you-
had to whisper.
Trying to be quiet.
So at the end, I told him, I go, yeah, I don't get it. I go, but what you're offering, it doesn't work. I can get better options for the same price that work. And then he didn't
You got
respond anymore.
You should have taken that whole long private message you had with him and just posted the whole thing in chat.
I don't even know if it's still there. I think he might have dropped it. Which I didn't know you could do, but... Yeah,
Otherwise,
there's
we'll
nothing
just
there
be a
from him
scanner
anymore
day.
in my messages. I don't know how he deleted that.
Gotta screenshot that stuff.
Or I didn't think about it.
All right, so we got about 6 minutes before IGC rips against me.
Neuro? Yeah. I don't know what that one's gonna do though. It open. It could spike again, or it could just die.
Nobody has shorts on it. That's the problem.
That's crazy.
All right, IGC. What are we looking at? I see like 348, 350-ish area. If you can get through 385,
Yeah, I can see 340.
it's got to get through 385 though first.
Yeah.
Bounced off of there twice already.
Yeah, because 340 will get you just right at VWAP.
Yeah.
Jesus, look at Neuro go, man.
That would be a decent play for me if it works. Where's Neuro at 40? Oh my God! I saw it at 25. And I was like, yeah, I have no shorts. This can't end well.
This can't end well.
So what is wrong with? Why can't I say, hey, I don't have shorts. This can't end well. I should long this. Why doesn't my thought process go there?
I don't know.
It stops with this can't end well. I need to take it one step further. Like, oh, you can buy it. That's an option.
Well, it's already
Idiot.
today's high a day, so.
Idiot.
Well, then that would cause you to admit that you were wrong, which is like probably impossible. So that's why.
And then and that's where it is. And Thomas hit the nail on the head. Oh look, it bounced off at 385 again. Yay. This should rip to about $5 now at the open.
Your average.
408, just the one entry. I've got orders higher in case it spikes up.
Morning.
Morgan.
Come on, David, whisper in my ears. Sorry.
Tell me you love me.
I want to touch your ass.
Got to get my hand off of it first.
Don't touch his ass.
Alright, that's enough.
I'll spread it for you. I'll spread it for you.
I love you.
Dig my fingernails into his hairy ass.
Now your roommate's really gonna wonder.
He's Neuro's back at the highs. Damn.
Now his roommate's never leaving.
You guys see Neuro?
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's
Yeah, I'm long
that is good.
neuro.
I'm still long from 11:55.
You're making a fortune.
I haven't taken any out.
Would have been a good one.
You like that, Bangkok? Oh, you can't even hear.
No, but Devin likes it. Devin's got his Barry White voice on. Just wait.
I
Yeah. Oh, here we
I
go.
just came
Here's
from
spike.
outside.
Come on,
I
come
was
on, 3
dealing with
minutes.
the
Get a spike
dogs
over
this
4.
morning.
Let's
They
go.
were being quite the butt.
You can do it.
2 minutes.
You can do it.
When you watching that?
Brian.
Come on. Come on. Almost red. Almost red. Oh, so close.
Jack, you got anything on one shit?
I mean, neuro, semi.
TLF at a sell-off.
Kevin, did you end up licking door handles at Walmart?
No, I was whispering spiders.
Oh, okay. I bet you're sick.
He was
Come
looking
on.
for
406.
it's an handle.
406. 407. Oh, so close. 1 minute.
You might get a pop out of the gate, but I doubt it'll be for much. I think a lot of people are looking at that 450 on the daily.
Yeah.
Well, that's depressing. It was so close to being red.
440 to 470 is a resistance.
No. Why are you so low? Are you being low on purpose? Oh, that's right. You said you can't talk. Yeah. Oh, no, you're good right where you're at.
A little to the left.
Gotcha.
There you go. That's the
A
spot.
little lower. A little lower.
I know. No, no lower. Right there.
Stop a sec.
Oh, my leg is my leg is kicking now. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah.
Little.
Jesus.
Ding ding dishes.
Good morning, Thomas.
Ding.
There we go. Let's go, baby.
The CLF died.
Yep. No crap. Straight down.
I don't even know why I'm watching this. Can't play it. Not planning on playing it.
What are we doing here? Just gonna plop down. Finally to 385. There we go.
Ooh, neuro died.
I forgot I had a limit.
CLF died.
I forgot I had a limit order.
Oh, yes. Red IGC. There's a god. Woo! Go, go, go.
Lisa's going, but I got nothing on that.
What is that?
Lisa. We got no short
Oh.
on it.
Yeah, we only got 48k.
There you go, IGC.
WISA
That's what
47
there it is.
KTV.
There's the 440.
I probably put my ad on way too high. Oh, that was quick.
Told you, a lot of people were probably looking at that 450 area.
Yeah, I had it higher. I had it 475 as my next ad on. That's probably too high.
That's the safe route.
Although I wouldn't have had it below 450 anyway, so the 444 high wouldn't have meant anything.
SPRT 30 KTV.
A lot of things just died.
Yep, IGC.
I forgot about that.
The dip pot.
They hosed us all.
Wait, how are you unrealized that much?
Luke covered IGC at 415 from 308.
Because I had a limit order for 1,000 shares at 555, and it's currently 480.
Wait, what?
It was from yesterday.
I think you missed your 10-cent stop.
Oh shit, you're right.
Not even doing it right.
I didn't even do it right. I'm a bad hole this dude. Go back up.
More, this is your account?
Yeah.
It's
but
paper.
a paper account.
I was making a small run.
ARVN starter.
AGFY, damn. I was trying to push on that. And it had more volume.
Can't even do it. So.
Oh, that spike was no fun. Alright, well.
Oh, Neural halted down, huh?
Big shock. Oh. I should get out of the CD trade, huh?
Net spread LOL.
Let it ride.
Only 1,000 in the hole.
VXRT 93 KTB.
CLF went up and died again.
Watching VXRT if it wants to get through 850.
Who are you? Huh?
TRFX halted.
WISA 21 KTB.
Oh, that's a nice drop down. You like
now
that?
rotated.
There you go, drop on through.
I literally went up to it. The jiggle was non-existent. It just hit 55 and then
Like
got
down?
shoved down.
Gotta break through that.
It's frustrating. For me to just jump in, I would have had to have seen 860 there. Ah.
Are you in CLF? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Did you get in at the top?
Lotions on the skin.
Not the very top, but
Steve, I'm telling you, you could probably hold that for a couple days and get $1.50.
I think this is coming down to 1854.
Alright, Devin's turning me on.
NRXP on.
It's very sexy, isn't it?
AGFY
I
up.
love it when you talk stocks
Looking
like
for
that.
second leg.
Getting all moist.
Come on, Devin. Take me down to VWAP. No, that's how I like it.
Sport like 50 web.
We're
Well,
going
it-
straight
it
to the
was-
VWAP. I'm gonna take you right to the VWAP.
WISA is quite interesting.
We don't have shares on it.
Crazy.
We're about to run out and it just rotated.
Well, you gotta go a little lower than that.
WISA NTB.
A lot of VXRT.
Nice, Thomas. Yeah, I wanted that. I wanted a little bit more.
Order filled.
Just started AGFY.
AGFY.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Check.
Order cancelled.
I'm whispering. Very quiet.
I think he wants you, Jag.
He does want a piece of this.
I do. I want a piece of that, Jack.
Order filled.
I'm still in CLF.
Lock on AGFY.
AGFY dollar on way. Dollar AGFY.
Wait, is it turntile? No way.
You got in at the right time, Tim, that's for sure.
Yeah, you could tell it started struggling there. Kept trying to go higher and wasn't going much further. Love for this to stay below 19. If this can get below 1850, I definitely think I'll get my fill down under 18, down by that previous resistance.
CLF is gonna die. CLF is going to die.
Wrong way,
It's
wrong way.
creepy. Stop it.
Yeah, I think he's trying to be a little creepy at this point.
No, who's talking to you guys? CLF is gonna die. Jeez.
Good morning. Good, how are you? You're welcome. Have a great day. You got it? Oh.
Come on, CLF. Let's make you some money today.
Ewan's gonna halt up.
Going up. Will wait.
Is it crazy? I don't even have my finger on the button.
Yeah, you got
You
the
get-
finger on my butt.
You got your finger in the right spot, though.
Thank you. It's all for you.
And, thank you, sir. Oh, spike up. IGC,
Jump
what the
stop.
hell?
But about to rotate.
So did you get an ad at the top of that or no?
325 KTB.
Oh, they decided, let's run it. They decided to run it, you mofos.
Boom, boom.
Yep, new highs.
I'm making lots of money on CLF.
This is going to go to 473, isn't it? 465.
That's what I was not wanting. Was it to get spread? There we go.
Order filled.
All out of AGFY.
All out AGFY.
Whoa. IGC.
Nice work, too.
What the
Yeah,
hell?
that was a good trade.
I'm sure Thomas did well, too.
Can somebody
I don't
look at
think
the
he
last
took that
trade
one.
of IGC?
Nah, I didn't take that one. It was too slow. for me.
Dang. I would have got my 1785 fill. Look at that. It's alright. That was pretty good leftovers. Thomas did get the other one that I wanted. But it didn't give me the that push I wanted through 850.
All out of CLF.
Good choice.
Thank you. I did pretty good on that one.
I think you're overdoing it.
Is this your first day in the new place? You better be green.
Pretty soon he's
I
going to
am.
start hearing.
Shakalaka.
Wait.
If you turn up his volume.
Is that all one trade?
That's a one trade, yes. I was gonna go down further because it just wanted to come stop me out to be a jerk.
Steve, are you short or long?
Sure.
He's just on a fun roller coaster that he's used to.
Did I just see going to the moon?
Red to green, red to green. No, it's back down to 376. And he probably doesn't even know it. He's probably like picking up some clothes or something, and it was at high of day. He's gonna come back, and now he's green. That's that roller coaster of emotions.
Kuin sketching me out. Will probably.
That's how Steve trades.
What
Yep.
happened?
You leave, it's high a day. You come back, it's low a day.
I didn't leave. I saw that whole huge spike up, and of course 465. I have an order for 475.
SPR2
Add on to it.
ATV.
Knew that was gonna happen.
Hey guys, what was up with AHT? Why is that up so
Whoa,
big?
here we go. Let's go.
Up again?
Hmm?
I have no idea. You'd have to ask DT. Our news anchor.
I think you're the stock, what?
AHT.
AHT?
The one from yesterday.
Beth, you said hold this for $1.50. I'm not gonna really hold this thing for $1.50, am I?
I mean, it might not happen today, but it will eventually. It always does.
I mean, $3. If it goes down to $3, that'd be fantastic.
Kuin orders through
All
5.
right, well, put your order at $3 and be happy with it.
6.20 plus.
I mean, what do you want me to tell you?
I want you to tell me that I should have put in a whole bunch more shares before it dropped down. But you didn't tell me that.
I think what you did was smart.
What, went in small size on my first entry
Yep.
and spaced them, and then spaced my add-on too far apart?
No. Yes. I think that was smart. Yes. For how you trade, yes, I think that was smart.
ARV and dollar on way.
Yeah.
I was really hoping Kuhn went up to
IBA
pre-market highs, but oh well.
No such thing.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping the same thing, even though I thought I was being unrealistic.
I think through 5, I probably would have started it, but just I really wanted that push up even higher. Ugh, look at it die.
It's gonna halt down. Give the whole move back.
XAIR lock and trails.
Oh, it didn't halt yet, but it's fighting the halt.
That's,
Sad
you know,
sad wanted the $5.
the way B called it. You got to be able to play that up that way.
Carrot Sam.
Yeah. I mean, I was never getting in before 5, so I mean, it is what it is.
And Wisa's running again.
Yeah, we don't have shares. That one looks dangerous. That one looks trappy.
Yeah.
350 break, Steve. You might be golden.
Yeah, what ticker?
Wisa. W-I-S-A. Do you really have to talk that low? What's the reasoning?
Just fine.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
One
Guy's
over.
in the next room.
The guy that's moving out on Tuesday, you're worried about waking him up?
He's worried about hurting his feelings. All of a sudden, Devin grew a, what do you call that?
Vagina.
Yeah, that'll work. It wasn't what I was looking for, but that'll work.
He's always had a
I was gonna say, you think he just grew it?
He's
That's
had a
my
vagina.
My vagina's huge. I have a huge vagina.
No, that's the clit.
All right, guys, come on.
You guys are so quick with it.
I'm surprised he didn't post it. I'm surprised when he said the word, a gift didn't appear.
Yeah, right?
He's got Alexa trained well.
Hey, it's early to be good.
Being good.
All right. Let's see how this
Yeah, you
works,
did
guys.
get bailed
I'm
out
gonna
in there, huh?
cover half my
Thing went
shares
crazy.
with $1 profit at 307.
Say that again. Sorry.
That
307.
if in order to cover half my shares.
All right, that's
$1
good.
Profit on half of them.
Good. I like it.
Let's see.
I mean, honestly, you could even take 75%, and I'd be happy with it.
You'd be happy.
Well, you know, I trade to make you happy.
Yeah. I would feel much more comfortable because, you know, then if for some reason it goes back up, you know, you only got 25% of your position, and it's not that big of a deal. You get this 350 flush, though, you should be pretty golden.
All right. Well, we
I
gotta
think
see
that thing
what,
will just fade all day.
We got to see what it. Oh, Lance, you didn't post anything?
Actually, 340.
I got nothing yet.
Yeah, 340 is where you needed the break.
I thought you posted a gift. How to trade?
No. Who said I should have?
Oh.
I was saying I was surprised as he was saying the word that a gift just didn't appear, like magic.
Oh, I thought he put something out, but it wasn't as dark as it usually is.
Oh. No, I'm being good.
I think you're being too good.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
It would be nice if this week just broke.
You didn't get any ads on IGC, right, Steve? You're still at that 408 or whatever it is?
Yeah, I had an ad up at 375, up for 475, but it only went to 465. my chance to add on. That would have brought my average up another 30 cents. So
What's your average?
408. That would have put my average at like 435.
That would have been nice.
Yeah, that would have been real nice. To double the share size. It wasn't meant to be.
What's the SPY doing? VIXs are, I guess the SPY's down, yeah.
It's down 50 cents.
So the VIXs are starting to go up. Yeah, this 340 is the big area. It's the support from pre-market. 350 was a good one, but 340 is the big one. You get under 340, you should be golden.
Get another 340, I might lose half my shares. I'd be okay with that.
What happened to 307?
277.
I would say $3 would be next. A bunch of resistance there, which will probably be support.
Top and bottom, yeah.
What are you watching, Jay?
Nothing. I'm poking around trying to find something I can fucking short.
There it goes. Might get a nice flush here.
I think it's gonna go all the way down to the 3.
I think 340 was the big one. If it can hold under 340, I do think that for sure. It doesn't really have anything to hold it up.
Went to 340 pretty fast.
Oh yeah, I mean there's a lot of people underwater. Look at if you look at all the pre-market volume and then look at all the volume at the opening bell, all the volume at opening bell is up near 4. There's a lot of people underwater right now.
Yeah.
Tom, where's the fib lines?
Oh yeah. Where's the fibs?
Tom, 303 is the 50 fib.
DBGI 29 KTV.
Okay.
Draw the fibs from 2006.
18K.
Which one would you like the fib lines on?
It's not even getting back up to 340. Oh, of course, as I say that.
You had to say something.
Yeah, my bad.
Oops.
Steve's already
Oops,
created.
I did it again. Nah, it didn't even look at that. It didn't even get back to 340. I think you're golden for $3.
I was green and red 6 times, so we should be okay at this point.
Yeah, I think the thing with that one though is you should just be so convicted on that trade that, I mean, would I want to hold it all the way up to $15? No, but I mean, it's a junk company. They do this all the time. I would have shorted this if I could have.
Man. This would have been so much nicer if it would have gone up 10 more cents.
You got your order still there?
Yeah, it's still there. I mean, I'll close it. Once I close out, at this point, it better not go there.
Go where? No, I'm talking about your take profit order. See, this is where I differ with you. There's no way I'd be letting this go red again. After this huge pullback, not a chance.
Always re-add if you want. Take your profit.
Oh, I'm not even saying that. Like, you can be patient for your take profit, but there is no effing chance I'm letting this go red again.
AMRSP.
What if you were going to swing it and wait for
AMRS up.
$1.45 or whatever?
Well, as it's coming up to my average, I would get out, see what it does, and then I can always get back in. That's what I would do. There's no way I would let this push back up to $4 and then possibly go to the highs again after this massive pullback. Not a chance.
NTEC hard. NTEC go 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 go. LMAO. LOL. It heard you were watching and got stage fright.
$3 incoming. It is starting to really struggle to go lower though right here. NTEC through 4 would have been nice. Got absolutely rejected.
Yeah, that thing was whippy.
Yeah. I do have AMRS up as well, but not really sure how I feel about it. Well, it's getting better. Through 1650 would be nice.
AMRS starters.
Is it an AMRS alerting on your scanner, Tim?
Yeah, I mean, it's not alerting, but it's there. Right now, it's there at 8.2, 7.6.
Okay, that's why it's not showing on mine.
Yeah, it's a bigger float, 137 mil. It's a 4.7 bill market cap as well, so a pretty big company. And, I mean, and it's not trading a lot of volume either, so.
Yep, these are the ones that I don't understand.
I'm watching it, but it's only because there's nothing else going on.
Yeah, you're watching it like I'm watching it for speed.
Right, right. But getting into it without speed, yeah, I got it.
AMRS supposedly earnings today.
What are you guys watching?
I was watching CLF, but I wanted it to go higher. Probably should have got in. What?
I'm
I
watching.
wasn't watching.
I'm watching Jag.
I better take it out then.
I can see it through your pants.
117 KTV. sub.
Ooh, okay. BTX. Kind of liking that a little bit. You can see bigger move because of the volume, but daily's kind of poo-poo.
Needs speed. Carrot.
Really nothing holding it down through this 1250 until 1320. I'd like to see a nice pop through 1250. Both just so slow. I mean, at least this one was moving, even though it has less volume. Guess I got a little too greedy there on BTX. Ah.
I didn't take it either, dude. I just.
I put an order at 1277, hoping it would spike through 1250, but 7 cents just wasn't enough.
Order cancelled.
With these low volumes, it's so hard to see the jiggle.
BTX hells yak. Dang miss.
Yeah, I almost dragged it down right at 50, but I really don't like being right at 50. Just, that was a pretty good move, though, I guess. Oh well. I was being a little greedy on that one, I think, because of the daily.
Yeah, CLS is getting less interesting.
Yeah.
Pretty much made this average two lines already.
I don't know. I feel like BTX, I was kind of forcing it. That was the other reason I was being more picky as well.
I would agree.
Just trying to talk myself into not having FOMO for missing it at this point. I'm trying to realize why I didn't do it. It's always tough because David's still trying to work on not FOMOing into trades, even though you can tell he still does here and there. But I mean, that one I wouldn't necessarily say it was hard FOMO, but it's hard seeing Brian do what he does because you just feel like you miss out on so much a lot of the time.
No, trust me. Tired of repeating to myself. One day.
Yeah, pretty much. Like just being able to throw that starter out there, you know, it's the amount of times it works is amazing versus when it doesn't work, who cares? Because you can just hammer it if it keeps going, and it's as if that first entry almost never happened.
Yep.
Sammy, that's just a YouTube video in the background. But yeah, like my starter there was going to be 50 shares. It's like, how I can't go down to like 20 shares there. It just doesn't make any sense. I mean, I guess it could, but
To maybe build the habit of getting used to doing it, I could see that, but
yeah, but just it just eats at you. I mean, yeah, you might get a couple more winners and stuff like that, but I mean, I don't know. I think about that. Like that's probably the thing I think about the most is like I keep saying, one day and in the future I'll be able to take a starter on something like that, and it's like, well, how can I? And just like you said, like how can I start building that habit? Because it's going to be like a light switch if I try to wait and do it. But this BTX is definitely like a perfect example. What the?
NRXP through 13.
Just die already. I'm never green in a trade this long. Like almost half an hour.
Patience, grasshopper.
he has patience the other way when he's freaking neck deep red, but not patience when he's green.
I know the feeling all too well though.
Jiggle, jiggle.
I don't have experience this way. I'm a seasoned vet the other way.
Good. Yeah.
I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. This never happened.
Let's say, I mean, worst case.
Comfortable drowning with one nostril above, sucking in air through one nostril. Perfectly comfortable.
I say you can always take some off if you really want to. That's always an option.
I already put an order in. I don't want to change it.
Oh no, they might cost you money.
NRXP through 13. Just kidding. Carrot B.
We sit back up. I'm like extra hungry this morning for some reason.
The long version was orders here through 13 to get some okay size. WISA leftovers on trail.
Spirit go?
Yep.
We're going to space next.
BTX leftovers on a trail.
Da-da.
Oh, I so want SPR.
Right.
Wow, with the lack of trades and Devin soft talking,
SNPX NRXP Donzies.
an app.
BTX trail, AMRS kicking back for now, else cashed up.
American Airlines making a little move.
Are they?
Trying, yeah. It's a nice little pop.
AAL earnings.
Apparently they're on earnings, according to David.
How could it be going up? How good could the earnings be?
You know, don't even get me started with that bullshit. I mean, these companies, like, especially the cruise lines, don't even get me started on the cruise lines.
But let me tell you a story.
Yeah, don't get me started. All right, let me tell you a story. I mean, no, just think about it. Like, the cruise lines haven't went out in like over a year and a half, for the most part, and how are they making money?
Yeah.
They took out billion-dollar loans to stay afloat. They sold a lot of their stock. Like, it doesn't make any sense. How can you sit here and tell us that everything's okay, and that you're making money?
They are making money. They got all those loans that they're going to get forgiven, so they didn't cost them anything to operate for the past year and a half.
American Airlines beat their estimated. They're still down, but they beat their estimated by 34%.
You can always beat your estimated if you're not doing any business.
They estimated it 2%, and they reported 1.6 now. Loss.
So basically, they paid their analysts to give them a really good number to go for.
BTX out all. Hate when that happens.
All right, I'm not happy with this IGC here. Someone talk me off the ledge.
Get out.
Jack doesn't trust it.
Take your money and run.
It did bounce off the 50 fib, and it's using it as support, so technically it's supposed to go back up.
True.
But VWAP's right here, you know, VWAP fade.
Yep, you got the VWAP fade there. You know, take that into account.
Although the 9 is under VWAP and it's coming back up to it, so that's not necessarily good. So it's a 50-50 is what we're telling you. It could go up, it could go down.
What's them alligator signals say?
I don't know, but the Bollinger Bands are telling me that we're near the top of the Bollinger Bands, so...
What about the Woodley cross?
Yeah, I was about to say, Moore could have told us if it was bouncing off the bottom VWAP band.
I'm going to go check
Takahashi Cloud says that.
Oh yeah, the Hitachi clouds. What do those say?
Hitachi Smishka cloud.
We should just make up an indicator and call it Shrimpka.
The Steve indicator says this is a long.
Well, then why are you selling it short?
So that means he's going to hold it.
He's like, you know, 6 times being red is okay, but I like to shoot for 7.
I'm an overachiever. Oh boy, now it got above VWAP.
Isn't your average 408?
Yeah.
Why didn't you take some out when you were all the way down here at 330?
Because I had an order in at 307.
And he didn't want to change it.
I was lazy. It didn't hit my target yet. Maybe I'll get my add-on now.
What are you watching, Jag? Jag, you got anything up?
Morning, Nick. 300 today? Hells yeah.
Jag.
Keep it up, man. Consistency, consistency. Let's go.
Oh, what are you watching, Bash?
Steve lose money that he shouldn't be losing.
AMRS out all.
Other than that, nothing.
I'm losing money that was never mine.
Really? Could have been yours.
You could have been mine.
Ooh.
Could have been yours.
Megan's gonna be mine.
That's right.
Schlimmka.
Michael Sandy Charlie's. I'm not circuit breaker. Double side.
Wow.
Woohoo. At B1.
Ooh, Steve.
Unbelievable.
You're at a pretty key level here. This 387, 390 area. If it breaks that, it might squeeze. Looking at that high from the pre-market over there, and then it came down, use it as support.
And everything's crossing over here. I'm meeting all the lines. Let's see. Not gonna give it too much.
It's a head and
thought.
shoulders if it tries to go down here.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It would be a good thing.
That's a weird head and shoulders, but
Oh yeah, a little deformed head up there, but
No one's perfect. There's surgery for that kind of stuff.
yeah, true. Hurry, go on stock twits and be like, IGC head and shoulders. Jack. Yeah, that does look ouchy.
I'd have a hat on that.
I'm sure he normally does.
Tim, is that what's your height? Tim?
that's crazy.
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Oh wow, dude.
Keep the
I wonder what
mystery
happened
alive.
there.
Probably talked shit and got bashed in with a rock and somehow didn't die.
Dude, yeah. How do you not die from whatever did that?
Or he was born
Maybe
that
it's a
way.
thing. Or was born that way. It could be a birth deformity.
Yeah.
But where?
He's got an extra large brain. He's smarter than the rest of us.
His brain could be like towards the back of his head. Or he could have had surgery, like, and the skull was fractured or
They had to
something, so they
remove
just
the
removed
front-
it.
Front
Yeah.
portion. Yeah.
How about your medulla oblongata?
I'm not heard about that.
I wonder if it's squishy.
Would you like it to be?
Oh,
All
four
right.
gore.
All right. Shrimpka.
No, don't do it yet, Steve. You waited this far. I would at least wait for 380. Yeah. 387 is that pretty key area.
You know, every time you say it's a key area, it's 10 cents closer to breaking even.
Look at those dirty topping tails.
Yeah, 385. It didn't even get to 387.
All right.
389 was technically the number, I think. Let's see. No, it's,
Easy little top
no,
here.
it was kind of back and forth. It was like 387 to 384 area. Now, if it goes back up and breaks that area again, yeah, that I would not. Yeah, I would not be interested anymore.
Probably going to or over a day at that point.
But if you can get back down through VWAP and then all the way back down here to 325, and if it breaks 325, I'd be waiting for like 250 at that point.
I'd say under 330 is a big deal.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that 325, 330.
Yeah. I shut down after that. It's like, that's all these people that bought it back up going, oh crap, it didn't work.
See, that looks like a Devon play right there. What's going on now?
Yeah. Wait, we're not going back through 4? Ah, shit! Dump it!
This sucks.
I'm really surprised Steve didn't get out right there.
At 480 or 380.
380, yeah, that's usually what he does. Like, all right, Shrimpka. The chart's telling me this is a good resistance area, but F it.
Did they kick Jag out that room? That's why he's not giving us any call outs?
Yeah, Jag, where's our dipbot alerts?
Yeah, I was pretty close to raising the white flag there.
FU
You're welcome.
5KTV, just up.
You guys got to talk me off the ledge here. I'm usually good at a top tick the wrong way.
CODX up.
Now, if it would have broke that 390, I would have definitely been on your side. But I mean, that was a pretty
Yeah.
clear area.
I was getting ready to cancel my 307 and
9.40
just
plus
mark it out at
PLS
390.
CODX. Karen.
That goes back up to 380. You're in trouble.
Good morning, how are you? Are we all back to, Okay, good. Good. I'll tell you why.
When I personally say a stock is up, I am not getting in. I have it up to see what it does. For anyone following along, LOL.
So Dipbot already lost me $1,000 today. Let's see if I can lose another one.
Go, Codex, go.
There are no Dipbot alerts. Oh, Wisha came up. Target 538.
I still need more. It's just not extended enough.
CODX started still once higher.
Yep, and here we go again.
Incoming, or it just works.
Yep.
Woodstock, Besh.
Or it just works.
Codex, CODX.
Oh.
Oh, there
Just
goes
works.
Steve.
POS.
Damn, Sava.
LOL.
Sava is at 122?
Such a hard life, LOL.
What the hell? I say EA to the moon.
I just can't get in there. It just doesn't make sense.
That's because our size is not big enough. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Well, that's the problem is if we do get in there with what our normal starter would be and then it actually runs, like
yeah, it's
we're in
gonna
deep shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thomas, Tim's size is never big enough.
You would know.
I do know. First-hand experience, baby.
It's the best kind. Steve's gonna be happy when he comes back.
Sounds like Steve's about to have an affair.
Catching it live on stream.
Yeah, I can wash your underwear.
My wife and kids, they're not around. Don't worry about that.
They're at the summer house.
I mean, if you would have held here more, that Dipbot would have helped you. You just had to go down 60 cents.
Oh, you're right, dude. I'd be in the money right now. Damn.
Steve, come back. Steve, the girl's not as important as money.
A lie. Sees you.
Yeah, I guess it depends on which girl.
And how much money.
That's true too.
What'd I do? What happened?
We're hoping you were here to watch IGC. It's back down.
Oh my god. It went to $5.
550.
No.
550 would have been nice. I'd have 2 add-ons then.
Come on, CODX, give us another up.
That would be nice.
Should I buy 1,000 shares of CD right here? Yeah, why not? Let's go dip bot.
Oh. My tablecloth lady.
Perfect entry.
In Excel, they always are. And if they're not, you can change them.
IPA YOLO long.
That way, Bash.
What's up?
You looked right at the camera. It's just a look of disappointment. And then it makes
She
you
likes-
dip bot.
She likes to make eye contact. Whoa, what was that? Nice little shiver.
That was me looking at your soul.
I was gonna say Devin hit the right spot. A little to the left.
Steve, the area it's in right now is kind of crucial. Once it below like after previous low 336, 335, and you're looking pretty good.
The low was
Eric Green is
325.
watching TV now, boys.
He doesn't watch stocks. He,
No. Well, I know the low is
4,000
at
times a minute.
325, but I mean that previous area where it just dipped to. I think
Oh,
it's
we're
below
down.
that. I think it's below that. You're looking good for a new low.
560.
But-
That's the key.
If it doesn't get below that 335 or whatever, it could go back up. So
Yeah, I would say the same as Devin.
That's no fun. You guys usually are.
Although
Really?
the one thing I would disagree with is as long as it stays under VWAP, I think you're good.
it is in the VWAP. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
But
No,
on the
I think the chance.
on the 17 and a half minute candle.
I agree that the chances are it's going to go down, but if it somehow holds this area, it could. You know,
Yeah.
it's not in the realm of impossibility that it goes back up.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if a major support forms, a major support forms. It doesn't matter what else. It doesn't matter where
If it's under
VWAP or
VWAP
anything is.
or
Yeah.
where it is. Yeah, I agree.
I concur.
I would say the odds are in your favor at this moment.
I agree.
You guys should go long then.
IPA short lol.
We both think it's probably going short, and I don't have shorts, so I'm guessing you don't have shorts on that either, Vash.
No.
5-5.
No shorts on IPA again.
Apparently Brian is long IPA, and GDT is short.
Interesting.
Really?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of interested why he's short. It's not really a good setup.
Not at all.
How'd you change your account to an actual name?
Yeah, it's in the settings somewhere.
Pretty cool. I didn't notice you're level 1 until now.
And we're only an hour into this day. That's crazy.
$.
I feel like it's been a lot longer. It's because I have to whisper.
LOL. Love it.
So Brian's long because it's about to rotate.
Yeah, because it's curling. Yeah, no shares. I'm sure it's all the same crap.
Is it me or does Devin sound annoyed when he's whispering? Sounds very serious and annoyed.
I'm annoyed.
He sounded annoyed.
That's what I feel like at this point, dude. Just get your ass up.
Get out of here.
NTEC up 4.20s plus for me.
Woke up late today, or I probably would have gotten some of this RGC in pre-market. I got that last little bit, but I didn't get here until later. I was tired though, man. Yesterday was the
IPA $$ on way LOL. Everyone winner.
I mean, to be honest, GME probably will be a really good short, just depending on how long you want to hold it. I mean, the only reason it's still up here is because of the hodls.
started trading on CLF this morning.
Hold on to it until it gets to 500 shares.
I mean, that's what it is at this point.
That's how it works, right?
But the thing is, that's not causing it to go up. It's just causing it to die slower.
I know, that's why Diamond Hands is
I don't have shorts on anything
AFIB
today.
stalking it.
Lisa had shorts.
I just realized that my oldest had such a huge head when he was smaller.
Have you noticed that the eyes don't change size? The head just grows bigger?
A horrible picture of me, you know, with my eyes shut and all, but no, look at his head. It kind of looks like that.
That's hilarious, Jag.
Look how big his forehead is. It's crazy.
Kid's gonna be a genius with that.
I mean, he is really smart, so...
Is that the kid you throw the pillow at? Knock him down?
Oh, that's both of them.
How dare you be smarter than me? Take this.
I'm pretty sure he has some sort of photographic memory because some of the stuff he remembers, it's like, how do you remember that? Like, there'll be times, like, we'll be doing something and he'll be like, I know, Mom or Dad. It's like, I did that when I was 2. And we, like, look at him like, what do you mean you did it when you were 2? And then, like, we'll, like, randomly go back and check, like, fact check his ass and he'll be right. Like, how do you remember that?
His head isn't filled with all the stupidity we fill our heads with.
He hasn't filled his memory up yet.
Yeah.
Look at
okay.
Tim and his big head.
Yeah, why does it look like me when it's bigger, but not when it's smaller? Sad face. Sad face. Like, after that first pump, like the first pump, it actually does kind of look like me.
It does look like you, yeah, right there. The second one.
Next car. I'll be out in 1 second.
Tim
That's
has a
funny.
big head?
depends on what kind of day we're having. You know, I might be one pump, maybe three. You know, it just depends.
What kind of pump are we talking about?
The 2-pump chump.
I actually am trying to Google that. It's not Google, but in the gifts.
Apparently, 10 years ago today, it was 108 degrees and it felt like 116.
Arrow got demolished. Got second day with the Bluetooth headphones going good.
Here comes Steve.
$4 or $3?
The key support area.
The
See if it
35.
holds again. Yeah. I think 25's your big break, but
That's a lot there, 334. And there it goes. And then there wasn't. Yeah, and there was.
You're watching Jag.
I should have traded this thing now. 195 mil. $150 million shares are traded since I got into this stock. 150 million people made their decision on what to do, and I'm just sitting here.
It looks golden, dude.
It does, until it doesn't. You know, that first couple of minutes where it would spike 70 cents in a second.
Still got to break through 330. Is that what you're looking at, Tim?
That's what they keep saying.
yeah, the that first move it came down. It went to 325. That's why if it gets through that, I think it's lights out. At least a 3 for sure.
I hate to use the head and shoulders thing, but that looks pretty.
Yeah. No, I agree.
shouldery.
Yeah. Yeah, but who's trading this? The 90%. So they're all looking at the same thing.
Yeah.
And this IPA is going nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the worst time to throw your money at something.
Rotation. I'll be leaving
I'll give you my-
Load in like this.
Yep, you want to throw it at it just because. That's the worst time to do it.
Yep. I want to go below 330.
GT still short on this?
No, he got out on that pullback down back through 9. Pretty sure he probably. If I had to assume, I'm not watching, but he said dollar. So I would assume he probably took less of a profit than he probably wanted, just because Brian was long.
All right, so we're done with IGC. This is just not going to happen.
Jag, are you looking at this general chat?
You guys, I'll be back in a second, okay? I'm gonna take a break here.
Yeah, you've been talking way too much.
Man,
Go rest that voice.
I'm gonna.
We'll bang some pots together.
That's what I should do.
Go in the kitchen, just start throwing stuff around.
Just drop a pot by accident. Whoops, I'm sorry.
Everything's okay, guys. Don't worry. It's okay.
Put that Saturday morning mom back in.
Oh,
Oh, honey, did I wake you?
keeps getting louder and louder, and then
Yeah.
it starts hitting your door.
Takes 5 minutes to vacuum in front of your door.
Oh, did I wake you? I'm sorry. Oh, by the way.
It was so quiet in there, I thought you had left.
Yeah, my mom woke up at 6 o'clock every morning.
Yes, this is so brutal.
Did you get in IPA, Devin?
He's not here.
He walked away.
He had to go rest. He had to go rest his voice.
All that yelling he's doing.
What's your plan, Steve?
I don't know. Haven't looked at it. Where's it at?
365.
Oh. That's not ideal.
No.
It was lower before.
4 bounces off the 330.
Maybe the fifth one's a charm.
Did GDT take that short this time?
I don't know. He didn't say it in the chat.
Yeah. I didn't know if you had a stream up.
No, I don't. Especially not after that passive aggressive attack of his.
Anytime you could have sold or you
Yeah.
Why? What did he do?
I was
Got
agreeing.
lucky on that pullback.
But that's not even what I was getting at. I mean, I was just saying good thing he got his pullback, and then he started getting all passive aggressive on me, like saying stupid shit.
Oh, in your ISW chat.
Yeah. Yeah, I literally said, "Good thing you got your pullback, GDT, LOL." And he said, "That's what we look for, right?" Question mark. And I was like, "Well, yeah, of course. Just saying, good thing you got it." And I was like, "Looks like it would be nasty now if you hadn't." And he's like, "Ifs and buts." And I'm like, "Okay."
NRXP novel.
He probably just realizes you're right.
My original saying will never change.
I didn't even like. I was literally just being glad that he got his pullback. That was all I was trying to say.
And he's sitting there saying, "Of course I got it because I knew it was coming."
Yeah, essentially.
And he thinks that you're implying that he got lucky instead of that he knows what he's doing.
But I wasn't implying that he got lucky. I was just happy that he got the pullback. Like I wasn't trying to be condescending at all. I was just saying, I'm glad you got the pullback before it went to $11.
Yeah, you're not helping your cause here, buddy.
That was a little.
I don't really. I must be missing something because I don't understand. Like I'm literally just whatever. I'm just gonna drop it.
Me knowing Tim agree with me, you know, you're lucky you got it. Just knowing who you are.
I mean, I get that, but I legit this time was not trying to say that. But I guess if 99% of the time I am being that way, I guess I get it. Okay, got it.
To be honest, your track record does precede you.
Yeah, just a little bit.
You are the boy that cried wolf. No one's ever gonna leave you.
Yeah, I guess I can see that. So at this point, I just can't be sincere anymore.
Watching it.
That's gonna be difficult for you.
Yeah, I gotta see that now.
Keep staying above the 9. Come on, go down below the 9. Just stay there. A couple of those big flushes again. Oh my god, I can't believe it's 11 o'clock already. I spent way too much time on this stock.
Been green way too long in this stock. This is not right.
It's completely not right. No, but I've spent too much time stopping to look at it that I'm way behind in my route.
Oh.
Oh, that's not good.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah. That's not you. No, what are you doing?
Because I know that even if I get out of the stock, I'm still gonna walk.
Yeah, Sammy. That's what we were telling Steve. Like if he just waits, it'll probably end up back at $1.50.
Why is nothing good to look at?
That's what I'm saying, dude.
I'm watching Moxie.
Yeah, well, I can't do nothing with that.
Yeah, same here. But even so, it's not really doing anything.
Even if it didn't do something, it went shot up through 70, and Moxie is just dangerous.
Yeah, it is. What you got for us, Dipbot?
We got another 3 hours to wait. And remember, it only counts if
KDM and
if the
stock.
target hits. That's what when we announce one. If it doesn't get there, that doesn't count as a bad alert.
There we go. That's the drop we needed.
Nice candle.
Need to
there,
answer.
Steve.
That is a nice candle.
Shout out.
You need it to finish though. You need it to get through the real. You actually probably wanted that candle down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down below 330 now.
Because now people are gonna be like, "Oh, dip buy, dip buy."
Yeah.
Especially right at support. Yeah, that's a. Oh, do it, do it, do it, and let's go. No, I'm telling you, it's 25. You keep saying 30, but I think it's 25.
I'm going off a previous candle.
I am too. That one all the way over here was 25.
958.
It says 10. It says 10 for me. Or yeah, 958. It says 325.
Oh, you're going way over.
Well, that's the lowest it went, and it kept trying to get bought up above that. So yeah, that's exactly where I'm going.
Whatever.
Why does everyone hate me today? Go, there it goes. Go, go, go.
Devin would have taken that argument at least 10 minutes more. DT's like, it's not worth it.
There it is. There it
Why
is.
would I argue a mute point?
Because I was right. That's all good.
You think you're right.
I mean, look, it broke 325 and it flushed. I'm just saying.
Come on,
You're
what?
10 minute flush. I like my from 30 to
We all know this is a buy at 308 because I.
It didn't. It stopped and tried to get bought up at 30. And it broke 25 and went right to 315. Booyah!
Oh, you're right. You're right.
I know I'm right.
Yeah.
Right, go fuck you.
There's gonna be major support at 308.
What is your realistic target here, Steve?
Yeah, why are you not taking some off on this huge fucking drop that went straight down?
Because I have an order at 307.
I hate you.
I said 307. That's my mark.
If you got good share size, man, take some of that.
It's 307 or not.
I don't have good share size. I have all my original entry, which wasn't even that big.
Oh my god.
So have we all been stressing for you for like 10 shares here?
Yes. I trade 10 shares of a $3 stock. That's how I trade.
Come on, Steve.
Add 3 zeros to that. That's
Take your
trade.
$6, buy a soda.
Buy yourself a Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Yo, if any of you non-rich people want to go to space for 10 minutes, I know a pretty good brownie recipe.
Where'd that come from?
It took a second
Facebook.
to get that.
It came from the book. That's how bored I am. I'm on the book.
BMBL maybe.
Bumble?
Yep.
Oh, that's yeah, that's the shit.
Is that really Bumble?
Yes.
Yeah, the chick dating app.
It's now, but
A huge company.
Oh shit.
Jesus.
That's the one Brian traded earlier today, had a $3 spread.
BMBL couple novels.
Come on, here we go. Let's go.
Big Co.
Got a 308.
This can't be the dating app.
It is.
It's worth 9.
It says Bumble Inc. Bumble Inc. Yeah.
Hey man, there's a lot of desperate people out there.
Ain't that the truth? That's why I'm surprised Pornhub's not a public company.
You should be. To get more views than YouTube.
Why would they want the regulation?
I'd like to see one of their earnings releases.
Well, they already got regulated. They had to get rid of like all their videos. Not all of them, but they got.
Anything that wasn't, yeah, their own content, basically.
Yeah. Which was pretty much my like 80% of my folder that I had saved. It wasn't all violent stuff. It was stuff that wasn't theirs. Like they didn't have copyright to it. And like it was basically stuff that people uploaded and like it didn't go through like the standard like consent type shit.
Here we go. 308. Come on, 308.
It's AGFY all the way back up.
AGFY.
It's so wild to me how fast they got rid of that.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I think on their website, like there was probably a thing when you upload that says, "Does everyone in this video like given their consent or something?" Because I'm sure that there has to be something like that on those sites. I would think.
Yeah.
And if the video doesn't have that, they probably just deleted it. So I'm sure they could write a code where it just deletes everything that doesn't have that consent.
$1 on way.
Or they kept it in a folder.
That's the premium version. Gotta pay
Oh,
that.
Vesh, you clicked yes on our video, right?
AGFY.
I mean,
on way.
you gave me your consent, so yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I just want to make sure. I mean, we had a safe word set up, but I didn't need to use it.
Yeah, I think the fans reading the comments were pretty disappointed in that.
Well, I mean, you gotta try a little harder, man.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's always the third video.
Right, they're saying, what is this shit? He's not even crying.
At least wiggle.
I like a hair in my mouth.
Nothing like fucking a dead fish.
Speaking of that,
Today.
There, I got
Today's topic.
it. Today's topic for gifts.
Run with it, Lance.
I wish.
Come on.
Come on, flush IDC. We already almost we need to tell our friends we got $1.
NRXP float.
Come on, 308's got to be the bottom. 308.
M. Looking like 7-14M. NRXP 47M outstanding. $100 KTB.
I'm more concerned about the penguin's fork.
I know, right?
Oh.
What
Catch.
happened here?
Well, that's why he's not using it.
what happened there?
Out all BMBL.
Tim searched fish fuck.
Yo, stop hacking my shit. How do you know what I'm typing?
NRXP restarted. $14.50 plus will be way better.
Hey, I found Devin.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
NRXP.
Pictures here.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled.
Trying to look for the chick
Order
masturbating
filled.
with a frog.
80k TV.
Masturbating frogs.
Look on your
Grabs the
desktop.
frog and starts masturbating with it. Interesting.
Order cancelled. Order
There
filled.
you go, Tim. Oh, damn.
That's a strong push out.
NRXP $. Karen. 70k.
Come on, make some new lows. There we go. 308. 308.
I saw 307.
I saw. Let's see if it gave me.
Oh, it's there again. It's on the bid. 306, you're good. Filled.
Woo! I got $1.
Dollar, make you holla.
Now it's going to drop to 207.
That's okay. I still got half of them.
Out for now.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All right, where's the next line at? What should I be shooting for the next, for the rest?
You didn't take all?
No, I didn't. I only took half.
Order
I love
cancelled.
Steve's conviction.
Ah, he knows it's going to $1.50.
Well, that's what you said.
Yeah, you're right.
Probably around 275, maybe.
$2.30s.
Order filled.
Like 235.
KTV.
Your average 1480, Tim?
Yeah, I'm out pretty much all of it. I mean, I've pretty much locked it all at this point.
Yeah.
I just keep restarting and taking not like 90% of the position.
Yep.
Smaller and smaller each time. Plus, like David's saying, we're running out of shares. It's down to 50K now. This can get back below 1450. I would like to see the rest below 14.
Fighting, you know.
Probably gonna try to bounce at that pre-market high though, 1410. I'd have to get through that.
FEYE. Smiley face.
Geez, IPA up to $12.
Side day. Phew.
Looks like Neuro gave some of it back.
Yeah.
A little bit, a little bit.
Yes.
All right, IGC. You gonna do another big drop?
Wow. Is it gonna do it?
Oh yeah, it's all. I got. Don't matter. Oh, maybe not. That was interesting.
Ladies.
Do you have another order set,
Over
Steve?
there.
Not yet. You guys keep debating between like 230s and like 270s.
Okay, let me pull it up on a bigger chart. Hold on.
I think Tim said 150.
So I don't know if you meant the $1.50 itself or $1.50 pullback.
The next
No,
daily
$1.50
pop
itself.
is
Because that's where it always goes.
and 230 is the next daily pop-ups.
Say it again, what was the first
$1.50
one?
is where it always ends up.
No, well, yeah. The next daily pop-ups are at 235 and 230.
Okay, so 230s, 240. All right,
And
so that'll
after
be
that, it's 208, and after that, it's $1.50.
all right. So you know what? Let's do half of this at 250. Make it 247. Half of what's left.
So IGC, let's see.
Okay.
I have
That'll work.
line to 233 from God forever ago.
All right. I put an
I'm
order
just
in for-
saying, go back and
Order
look at
for
every
47.
time it spikes, every BSPR they put out, and look at where it ends up going back to.
Oh, true. It's $1.50.
Yeah, it's resting bitch face is definitely 150 there.
Yeah, but I don't want to hold this thing overnight and into tomorrow.
It's all
And
usually in one day.
The hard to borrow fee is not much. Hello. You're welcome.
Yeah, it's usually the next day.
Yeah, the last pop went from like $1.60 to $2.10-ish, and then right back down the side. These are all the same day.
All right. We'll see what happens on this one. Put in
Or in
240.
after hours. Tim is correct on that.
I don't want this to go back through 15. I'm right? Nah.
You're always right.
Gonna go to his head.
It keeps getting shoved down every time it gets up here, but I was kind of hoping it would have stayed under 1450 that time. At least tried that 1410. Didn't even try it, which is kind of strong.
So what are we thinking on an IPA? Double hold here? Ooh, it's down to 12 now.
Yeah. Imbalance went back down.
It's kind of inching its way up there. Need another big shove down.
So we were watching Tim make money.
I was hoping to get the 14 test for the rest of these, but not looking good.
Paper I got out of.
Yeah. On paper, I got out it right as it halted at 12:48.
Oh, I'm not talking about IPA. I'm talking about
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Trying out the intensity.
Hey, so on Dipbot, so on that Weiser trade at 521, they said.
How do I
it
always
got
do
down to
this?
525 and then it went up. So Eric posts 4 cents from bottom ticket entry. Perfect run up.
Every time.
And now I wouldn't take this trade anymore.
Perfect, you would have missed it.
Yeah. So there hasn't been one that's fucking won.
100% loss rate.
They didn't take it, so it's probably it's not a bad alert. LRN. Baby.
LRN Big Co.
I'm gonna be so pissed at NRXP, man.
Well, halted up again.
Hopefully it goes back up to the highs just to make me happy.
It is squozing.
I thought for sure that was gonna squeeze up through 15. The way it kept getting bought up.
It's a good trade.
No. I'm happy with the trade. I was really trying to be patient with my leftovers for once, and I was just playing the chart, which I'm not mad at, but it's always annoying when it shoves it in your face.
So we got a 50-cent gap on IPA to fill.
IPA, that should be easy for you, Best. Get that call ready.
I don't know, the imbalance is, well, it was 18 for a second there. Now it's 15.97.
Well, according to them, they have neutralized the Delta variant.
Oh, have they?
Steve, the way IGC is looking, you might get $1.50 by the end of today.
Potentially.
I mean, it looks like nobody gives a crap that it's going down the way that it is.
No.
And you have to remember, all that pre-market volume, the further and further you go down, the less and less people are even in the money. So, like, everyone's going to be underwater. And it obviously rotated its float several times, so pretty much everyone is underwater at this point. And now everyone's starting to find out that they're a shit company, if they haven't already. They start looking at the daily, oh, it does this every time. Well, guess I Dear Diary again.
Yeah, I'm guessing I probably could not enter new orders or short at this point.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Go. 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 Yeah.
What stock was that? IPA?
I'm better now. NRXP.
But it spikes to higher date. You gonna get back in?
Half-ass tempted. I didn't like how quick the shares went last time, though. Ooh!
Good stock.
NRXP.
I was waiting to see the cursor over on the purple button.
I don't know if I'd use. I
Not 10T5.
don't think I'd be using that. I'd be going pretty small on this one if I did it. But I'd still want more. It's a big candle, but it's not really that extended. Oh yeah, the float just rotated too. Never mind, fuck that. I'm not playing that.
Karen. Karen.
I just wanted to repost that chart, just, because it looks better.
Here's Eric Green talking about the thing. About it.
Ooh, 270s. I can't believe I actually got into an all-day fader.
Then I feel bad. There's just some 18-year-old kid goes, I'll be 18 in August. I'll probably buy basic then.
Where's Dad's car keys?
No, Capsule isn't gonna do it.
No, it's gonna hold right at the gap.
Dude, look at that. Oh, I wish I had some cojones, man.
I wish I got an LRN. But it was already coming down, but I saw it. I still could have got it and made a bunch of money. I am not feeling it today, apparently.
I'm with you, man.
Apparently GDT got back into IPA. His average was 1265.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how many shares, but
He's down $60 on that right now. I pulled up his thing.
so what's that? 200 shares.
Imbalance is
He's
1220.
at 200 shares, yeah.
1140.
What was that? 1220, dropping fast.
Well, that's good for him. He is 1265. Wow, he just went through a little bit of a ride, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I was watching that on halt. I mean, he probably didn't even see how much he was down when it went up to 1567 because it immediately went down to 1295.
And his average is 1265, I think. Yeah.
That's what David said. I don't have his stream up, so
In on this last candle? Or was
I
he
don't
already
know.
up?
I'd have to let me go look.
Well, if it opens at the imbalance, he's going to make money. stays there.
But I will just curiosity out this one because got
He has an order at 1250.
on that
Well,
imbalance.
that's where the thing's coming down to right now, 1248.
Yeah, his order is at 1250. Yeah, his average is 1265, 200 shares. Oh, he got in. His first entry looks like it was at 12, like the break of 12. He added at 1250. And then he has an ad at the bottom of the open candle. Yeah, when it halted or unhalted the last time. And then it went up and halted again. Ouch, man. That probably didn't feel good.
Scary.
Well, yeah, because 200 shares, it was up at, what was the halt price there?
Well, the high was 1567.
I meant going into the other halt. Was it 1430?
Yeah, 1430 it was.
Oh, that's not too bad. He was only down 330 bucks.
Yeah, I mean I've had some
I mean, for him, that's not horrible.
bad faults.
But it was halted up, and the second time, and you're starting to think, look, you're looking at the IPO back up at 30. You're like,
Alright, hopefully about 2 more minutes here on the resume. Hopefully it gets us out.
Did he really just post that more?
We counted as fuck this shit fucking sucks. Why must we keep missing entry by 1 to 5 cents?
From the mouth of the creator, dude. He knows it sucks.
Please pay $100 for this. Thank you. Fuck this shit fucking sucks. Why must we keep missing entry by 1 to 5 cents? Please pay $100.
Above.
Sounds like it needs a upping.
The
But
imbalance
for
is just messing
200,
with my mind.
it'll be 1
Not
to
even
3
look at 'em,
cents.
just wait for the reopen.
Right, yeah, we'll get you closer.
Alright, hopefully about another minute here on the resume. Hopefully it spikes down.
What's the imbalance at now on IPA?
1250.
Oh, so he's gonna be fine.
UPC up.
It's gonna be moving fast though, so if for some reason he doesn't get filled at 1250, which is where his order is, who knows? Yeah, yeah. I don't see an imbalance on his anywhere. So I don't think he knows where the imbalance is.
Alright, let's see if we get a it is 5 minute here. Hopefully I don't really want to keep it longer.
So he admits the thing doesn't work.
Oh, he probably got filled on that.
Are you looking at NRXP? You stopped, didn't you?
Watching it? Yeah,
Alright, we're open.
Oh, he didn't get filled.
No.
Not get it. Not yet.
It's gonna come down. Oh. So apparently those wicks aren't real.
No.
I mean, he had his order out there. I'm watching it.
Over 14 in case it wants to spike back up. Just
Go down, go down. It wants to break. Just 1250. That's all we're asking for. Yeah, what's that wick all about then?
down.
It wants to go long on NRXP. Dipbot. 1432. to end.
Probably wants to go long on IGC too. Come on, IPA, just die. Go back to your home.
Over 14. I would
It's
be
not
out
looking
though.
promising for him right now.
No, he said he's putting a stop at 14. It's not looking good. Nope, there it is.
Come on, hold on.
Well, that sucks.
Don't do it to me. Alright.
Yeah, he stopped.
Loser. That's just
Dude, I'd be pretty pissed. Like, what's that wick? Out of the halt.
confused why.
NRXP, 1442. Let me find.
That's the target, dude. I'll go 10,000 shares.
Low of 1171, but I never got a fill there. Hmm.
Yeah, I'm buying 1442 on paper.
I don't know, but
And this one actually has a big thing. They want to get seven. Actually,
I was using
they
the
want to
light
get
speed hot
27
route,
cents out of
which
this one.
takes the fastest and
Feels real heavy, doesn't it, Tim?
IPA?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It keeps getting shoved down every time it tries to go higher.
Anyone still here?
Yep.
It still has to go down a dollar.
Nope.
Nope.
He's gonna be so pissed here in a second.
That's what I was just thinking. There's nothing worse than top ticking it like that.
GDT, he was in IPA.
No, he was short that.
Yeah.
Has our boy taking some money out of his IGC trade?
He did. He got his half at the dollar, 307.
Now it's in the 280s. So.
Nice.
But that means I am going to have a losing day, which is never fun. But hey, they have it.
Anything else looking good?
Well, Dipbot thinks NRXP's good. We just have to wait for it to get down to 14.
1442.
Because this was the new high.
Are you seriously trying to play that?
I have it on paper. I was going to see that. I just put it on and I don't watch it.
3 years later.
They haven't had. Look in the chat. See what like Eric is posting on there. It's hilarious.
Oh, you put it in the chat?
Well, I did,
Oh.
and more, but I bet you
Oh.
it's still on.
Yeah, they're
All
definitely.
tier
Yeah,
setups
that's all they're doing.
That are going to be clean.
Alright, it did get up above that there.
Tiers just 99% conviction. B tiers 85%. And there's no guarantee on B tour. Oh, so there's a game there. So is he saying there is a guarantee on A?
On A, they'll make
I
modifications.
don't remember seeing the level 2 get below 12.
So when it's not working, apparently the thing
The
gives.
lowest I've ever seen is like 1265.
We'll update it.
I don't know.
What's up, brother-in-law?
Unless I was having a better internet issue right then and
Up, brother-in-law.
It's fucking ridiculous.
I have to look at the order and go
I
back.
haven't told my fiance that you're marrying her sister yet. I should let her know.
But alright guys, that's gonna be a red day for me.
Um,
Let's go ahead and
Wait till after your marriage.
trade started here. We're gonna hit
Okay. To let her know that you're going to be a home wrecker.
so we'll get that.
Not a home wrecker if he's not.
Seems like a decent enough guy. Don't really know anything else about him other than that, and I think he trades options. So appreciate you guys for being here with me. And
What did it? You guys hear?
through the
Yeah, we're here.
IPA fund. So, losing day for me. We'll be back at it
AMC's trying to
tomorrow.
push back
Most
up.
likely.
That's not very interesting today. See, those are trade. Like, hey, Vash, you had shorts in AMC today, eh?
I don't know.
Yeah, I hope you have a nice day as well. And then
Yes, definitely. We still have almost 1 million.
See, that's something I would have shorted today, but I don't have shorts.
The only thing I was
I've-
supposed to take in LRN.
I mean, look at AMC. Even if I would have gotten the 4071 down to 3901, and that's over $1 in profit, and that would have been my target there. I've been kind of watching these just because I will be able to trade them soon.
We're on the same.
And I've noticed with AMC especially, on days when it opens up above the previous close, it most likely is going to go higher. On days when it opens up below, it's most likely going lower.
Well, anyways, for those who are showing up,
You just gotta wait for the
welcome
setups.
to the stream. I'm just finishing up here. I was just pointing out some tickers for some
Just
good
kind of the
day trade.
pattern.
I day trade
SGMA
every morning.
78
It looks like
KTB.
Garage day trade also day trades every morning.
I mean, and if you look at that, dude, it opened up below, got above it for like 4 minutes, failed it, and it's never gone back up.
Yeah, give a follow.
Literally, if I would've got in right
Malt
there at
level.
like 4070, got out half of it at the previous low at around $40, and then just held half. I mean, dude, look where I'd be right now. It's crazy. Even yesterday, I opened up below. did get above it one higher, but came back down. But... What else you been watching, Jack? Anything good?
LRN, that's it, and I missed it.
Oh, wow.
Missed.
Neuro end up doing nothing. So weird that I don't live in my house anymore.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, you got roommates and Wi-Fi.
I mean, it's Tuesday, but I'm hoping maybe see.
I thought he was gonna ask you to borrow your truck.
Right? You gonna use that?
Would you mind helping me?
Need a tie for a job interview. All right, well, fun day. See you guys in the morning.
Did you do all right?
Later, man.
0 goose egg.
I thought I saw you post a trade. Oh, that was more. Never mind. And it was paper. What a jerk.
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought that was your chart, Colin. I don't know why. Oh well.
Rub it in.
Yeah, sorry, man. You know me. I'm Mr. Passive Aggressive.
Later, guys.
Later.
AEHR is moving back up. That's sloppy.
Bro, why are you still talking so quietly? Isn't it 7:42 there?
840.
It is.
8:42? Even worse.
Jesus, what time do your roommates get out?
Well, the ones that don't ever plan on moving out, probably never. I just sleep in here all day. I got cheap ass rent. I ain't fucking leaving.
That's right. It's gonna be getting rest because there's another couple people in here.
He's probably thinking your fiance. He's probably like, ooh, she's bringing in cute guys. I like this.
Now I'm staying forever.
She knows I'm into the older ones too. Like, ooh.
Ooh.
I'm waiting for the open mic when he's banging some dude next door in his room.
Open mic
That
thing.
has never happened. That's and dude, there ain't nothing really looking good, huh? Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. Who is this? That's a phone call. Give me 1 second, guys.
You keep coming so close to your goal, Tim.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at that, aren't I? If NRXP would have worked, it would have. I would have been a goal. I didn't mean to, but I was down to those like severe leftovers, so I did the math in my head. But I had already had the order in, so I didn't do it on purpose.
Yep. High day.
AEHR stalking. Love the daily.
Go NRXP, you making me look brilliant.
You ready to get back in it?
Nope. I don't think we have shares. Oh, we do. The shares went up. That's interesting.
Everybody sold out.
It's rotated its float though. Oh. Jeez, look at that thing go. Kind of want to play it, but Jesus, it's gonna halt.
No.
Order failed.
Guys, thanks for talking me into keeping IGC.
You're welcome.
You're right.
Have you done any more of your route, or you're still just sitting there watching it?
No, I've been parked on the side of the road for the past 3 hours.
Nobody's getting clothes picked up today. Nobody's getting clothes picked up today.
That's right. Well, it's not pickup. It's today's delivery day.
Oh, wrong way.
No one's getting, yeah, I've got all their stuff. No one's getting their shit back today.
Thought we were gonna get the. I was about to just take it off at 17, but really don't want to let this go against us. Here we go. Go. Stupid spread.
KDMN watching.
I've got like 30, 40 pickups, but it's the 225 deliveries that I haven't done yet. Go get it back. I'm probably
Super
about
small.
an hour behind schedule.
Super small. It's okay. But I will look to just get out of this now. Because I shouldn't be in this. Oh, IPA, ouchie.
Keep losing connect server.
Sounds like it's your internet.
And NRXP's got room to $76.99. This candle. That's not cheap to borrow. 100 shares, they want $2.70 short 100 shares.
I was kind of hoping for something like this pullback here. Like, Jesus, I didn't get any of it. Not even trying to pull back. I was just hoping for the retest of this. Kind of like it did here, right? I actually even tried to go under it. Now I'm not even trying to be greedy, I'm just trying to get out of it. Not, like, feeling that bad. I'm really small size, so it's not going to ruin my day or anything, but... I mean, I guess it could. It just squeezes into the heavens. Especially because that 9's coming up with it now. It's kind of shitty. And if it actually tries to go, I'll get an ad, but just seeing if it would pull back. That's so sad because I was about to just take it off for the small win when it tried 17, but then it shot back up. If it can break the 61 here, we should get a little bit of a flush. Right? That's what it did down here. Same kind of thing. These people got other plans for it. I'm not adding right here. I'm not doing it. I've made that mistake too many times, and then I end up getting too big, and then it goes, and then I don't take it off because I'm an idiot. Yeah, see, I'd rather just wait and see what it does. Need to break that 61, and we should be good to get out of it. And it's trying. It's trying to come down, and it just keeps getting shoved back up.
Too bad.
It's trying. Yeah, see? Yeah, that thing's so whippy to the upside. It's not good. Can't get that flush down. I think this is a cut at high of day now, though, for sure. I think this is a definite attempt at a pullback, and I don't want to be in it now if it tries to squeeze higher. There we go, there we go, there we go. Roll it down. Roll it down. Need to get down to that $50 again. Just it keeps getting bought up, though. Such a key level right there. There it goes. There we go. Come on. Oh, look how quick it gets bought up. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. What are we at? We're at 39. There we go. Give us that 17 test again. We are definitely a stop at high of day now, for sure. Just looking for that 17 test. There we go. Come on. Not being greedy. Not being greedy. Come on. At our average. It's always the case.
NRXP will run out. 33K at moment.
There we go. Come on. Come on. This is right at our average. Come on. Give us a 17 test. There we go. Come on. Break that 20 and we're good. Break the 20. Oh, there goes my light. Oh, 13. We were on the bid. There. Yeah, I took it off there. I was on the bid and didn't get filled, so I took it.
You got back in it?
Yeah, I was like super small.
Where'd you get in at?
I was looking for a scalp. 1739. I just got out at 1719. I was not adding up there at 18, man, because that thing, it felt like it was either going to rip or it was just going to keep faking out. And I was not going to get faked out and get too heavy on a trade that I had no intention of doing anything but scalping. I was just trying to scalp the thing, and it just, I almost did, but then it frickin' shot up too quick on me, and I couldn't get out in time. It worked out.
Al Earnings. Also huge co.
Alright guys, I will give you 4.5 minutes to get me to 20 likes on the stream. And we'll do a giveaway for ISW for a week. We're at 10, or maybe 11. I see 10. So if we can get to 20 likes on the stream within the next 4 minutes.
I already liked you.
Well, thanks, man.
Can't like you anymore. I already did.
Aw. Sure you can. You could love me. That's more than liking. Yeah, if we can get to 20 here by 12 o'clock, we'll do a giveaway. If not, I'll probably keep doing it. I'm gonna probably keep doing the 20 likes thing. So when you first get here from now on, just hit that like button. And if you're here towards the end of the stream, which is always around 11:30, 12 o'clock, if we're at 20 likes, I will do a giveaway for ISW for a week.
That was dumb.
Thomas, I was like, oh, you took it too. But that's from earlier?
Yeah. Freaking 9 to 5, dude. It knows when to get me. I was actually, when I hit the button, I heard the truck horn blow outside. I'm the only one here. So it means I got a shipment. So I answered the phone to see what the guy had. The delivery wasn't even supposed to get here. Come here, it's supposed to go to a job.
50K Karen.
That's
And
frustrating.
since it was our mistake, it was going to cost us $800 in delivery. So it's like, okay, I got to go downstairs to see if I can get this off the
Sammy,
truck. I'm in this
I'm
stupid
pretty sure
trade
most
that's
people
kinda sorta going my way. So
watching
it's
like
okay,
kind of come in and out.
take profit.
So it could be different people.
And I just had to walk away. And
So there could have been like 5, 6, 7 people that already liked it and left.
Was thinking it had 300.
So that the other 15 to 13 people here, you know, could be could still get a like.
Oh well.
I mean, there's 20 people here, so we should be able to theoretically get 20 likes, right? Just say it. If everybody wants to do a giveaway, it's not hard to do.
LOL.
Yeah, that's frustrating, man. What do we always say? One day, one day.
that's it. Just gonna keep doing what I can do, man.
Tell you what, if IGC can break this, what is this, 275, it might go to $2 by the end of the day.
He's still holding it?
I think he's still got half, yeah.
Wait. He took half?
Yeah, he took half.
Took half.
That's because we convinced him that it was going to go to $1.50. And it will. Just a matter of time.
FEYE bomb.
From 408, so I got $1.50 so far. I got another half, so I got a quarter.
FEYE.
247. And we'll see what happens from there.
FEYE.
You will type Mopo.
Huge co. Lots of shares to borrow.
Go.
Yeah, it's a big company, so I feel like once people start trading it, it's going to be hard for it to move.
Here you go. What it was? When I said I'm really so take
That's Dipbot malfunctioning.
So that's the usual sound it makes.
That's the alert notification.
It's working.
That's processing the next trade.
what was it, stuttering?
Just a bit. I don't know how I feel about this FEYE.
Yeah, it get through 21 right now.
Yeah, it's kind of what I was thinking myself. Or at
You
least
already in it?
try. No.
No, I'm not in.
IPA 1350.
Going back up, huh?
Novels, plus 21 way better. Yes, plus 21 please.
Make me feel better when I say it, and then he backs it up. It's like, okay, I'm seeing something right.
No doubt.
Order filled.
The question is, what is the offering price on IGC going to be?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit. Fuck. Fuck. Ha. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it.
Order filled.
God damn it. I went long by accident. I overcovered. I didn't even notice it. I mean, I got right out, thankfully, but...
Well, you still hit goal.
Dollar on way FEYE.
Yeah, I wish I would have been more patient on my last cover. How did that even happen?
I didn't even see that alert. I would have got that, motherfucker.
Same Z.
I had shorts on that.
What are you playing NRXP?
No,
Or what?
FEYE.
What is it?
Almost screwed that up,
FEYE.
LOL.
Oh, FireEye.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even... When would I have put an order? I guess when I added... I guess I put a new cover and it used my new share size, I guess. That's the only thing I can think of.
Took it all off there.
Yeah. I was just looking to scalp it, which I did. And I should have waited with that last piece, which it would have been good, probably. Well, I don't know. Because then it would have kept dropping and I would have lost it all back, actually. So I guess in a way it kind of worked out. I'm a little frustrated that I did it though. Oh, whatever. That's frustrating. On two accounts. The fact that it happened and that I wasn't more patient with the other half.
BCRX out all.
It's the first time I've done that in a while. I guess I have to go back and watch. It's the only thing I can think of is when I added, instead of changing it back to 50 for the, because I had already had an order out for the original 50, that it made the share size 100, and then I just hit the cover button again.
I don't know how I missed that.
I actually didn't see it at first until Thomas said something.
I didn't even hear it. I must have zoned out sitting here.
Well, it's not even on the my monitor.
Yeah. Yeah, mine either, so that's weird.
When he said it, I looked over and I think it was only at like 9, but then I saw Brian say it in the alert room.
Yeah.
That's why you should be in there, Jag. Links in the description.
I probably would have missed it anyway.
Well, no, because the reason I saw it was because of Brian and heard Thomas.
Yeah. You could still drop it.
Yeah, I was comfortable holding, but it's like, in my head, I'm like, 280, you want the 50% move, just take it.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I was mad at myself, is because I wasn't waiting for 50, but in my head I was P&L trading. So that was the first mistake.
Oh, 98 cents. Oh.
IGC, Steve, it's going.
Yeah, it's dripping.
I mean, that's kind of what you want. Yeah.
It's a slow leak. It's a slow leak. The low pressure like just went on in the tire.
With an average of 407, I think you're looking pretty good.
Hey, 408, man. Don't shortchange me. This was a good one. This I'll take.
What the shit, man? You go on vacation and you change shit up on us?
After the CERE debacle, I was like, you know what? Let me try and be a little better selective about my stuff. This is the first trade I've taken since CERE. And I went small, and I was like, okay, I'll add 75 cents later, and I had 2 ads set in there. Normally, I would have gone bigger and then added small, but I was trying to do a little different. But a win's a win is a win.
Alright, stream. We didn't get the 20 likes. I'm also going to go make some lunch. I'm starving. I will be in the Discord. You can find me on Twitter. You can do all that stuff. But I'm going to get off here. We hit our goal today. What do we get? We had 2 trades in NRXP. 1 there. 2, 3, and I guess technically...
New alert.
That's a long trade on FEYE, but I'm just going to not count that. So technically going 4 for 4 with the mistake trade in there as well on FEYE with the overcover there at the end. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. We hit our goal today, so good. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.